13 invoices just hit this inbox, and 3 of them should never be paid. Let's see if the agent catches all 3. If you've ever run a business, you know this job. Invoices come in, and someone has to check every single one against what you actually ordered. Line by line, number by number. Nobody's favorite hour. So today, you're going to give that hour to an agent. Here's the stack. 13 invoices, 10 vendors, 4 completely different layouts, including one that looks like it lost a fight with a fax machine. And I've planted 3 problems in here. A total that quietly grew on its way over, an invoice nobody ordered, and 1 bill trying to get paid twice. The agent knows none of this. Watch. The build is 3 code nodes in n8n, self-hosted plus 1 vision model. That's the whole machine. Your first node loads the stack. Every invoice image, plus your purchase order list. 11 POs, the 11 things your company actually agreed to buy. That list is your source of truth, and the entire system leans on it. Node 2 is where the magic lives. You send each image to a vision model, Gemini Flash, through FAL, with 1 strict instruction. Read this invoice and return clean JSON, vendor, number, date, total, PO. And if a field is not on the document, you make it return null, never guess. Hold on to that word. It pays off in a minute. Last node, your gate. And notice, it's pure code. No AI in the approval path. An invoice only gets approved if the PO exists, the amount matches to the sent, and that invoice number has never been seen before. Everything else gets flagged for a human. Then you write your receipts to disk, approved, flagged, summary. Always keep receipts. Now hit execute and watch it chew through the pile. 13 images in, 13 real model calls. And there's the summary. 104 seconds on the stopwatch, end to end, including every keystroke you just watched. The reading itself, 28 seconds. The results. All 13 invoices read, even the fax machine one. 10 approved, worth $9,049. 3 flagged. And here's the part I care about. Those 3 are exactly the 3 I planted. 3 for 3. Look at what it caught. The renewal that quietly grew $118 support fee? Flagged. The PO says $1188, not $1306. The $980 consultation nobody ordered? Flagged. No PO, no payment. And the same invoice showing up twice? Flagged before it got paid twice. That's $1,411 that never left the account. The honest part. These are demo invoices I generated, so the images are clean. Your scans will be uglier, and your results will be too. The model also made 1 real mistake. On the crooked scan, the date reads 2nd of August, European style. It parsed it as February 8th, American style. The gate doesn't use dates, so nothing broke here. But if your process depends on due dates, that's the field you double-check. And notice the flags still go to a human. This agent doesn't fire your bookkeeper. It hands them a shorter, smarter pile. Everything from this build, the files, the numbers, the parts that fought back, is linked below. Build it, break it, make it yours, and it ships itself. See you in the next one.